This Michelangelo 12-inch frying pan with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a non-stick granite coating. This makes cooking easy and cleanup even easier. Food slides right off, and you won't have to scrub hard. The non-toxic materials give peace of mind. You can cook healthy meals for your family without worry. The Michelangelo 12-inch frying pan with also features an anti-scald handle. This handle stays cool to the touch. It provides a safe and comfortable grip. You can maneuver the pan easily on the stovetop. The included lid helps trap heat and moisture. This is perfect for simmering sauces or steaming vegetables. It's a versatile pan for many dishes. This Michelangelo 12-inch frying pan with is induction compatible. It works on all types of stovetops. This makes it a flexible choice for any home cook. While it doesn't come from Gotham, it's a strong contender in non-stick cookware. It makes cooking less of a chore and more of a joy. Consider this model for your next kitchen upgrade. For anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan, the Wadillo non-stick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes, and its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this Wadillo nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: anti-scald handle, induction compatible, large 12-inch size, comes with a lid, easy to clean. Durable material, even heat, versatile cooktop use. Cons: might not be fully nonstick, could be less durable, ceramic coating wears, metal utensils can scratch, questionable longevity, some find it heavy, potential for sticking, not entirely. Non-stick features: Michelangelo brand 12-inch size, frying pan type, includes a lid, non-stick surface. Granite coating, non-toxic, anti-scald handle, large size, induction compatible. This Michelangelo 12-inch frying pan is a large, non-stick pan that comes with a lid. It has a granite coating that is non-toxic, meaning it's made without harmful chemicals. The non-stick surface helps food slide off easily and makes cleaning simple. The handle is designed to stay cool, so you don't burn your hand. This frying pan can be used on all kinds of stoves, including induction cooktops, which use magnets to heat the pan directly. This 12-inch Michelangelo frying pan comes with a lid and has a non-stick granite coating for easy cooking and cleaning, plus an anti-scald handle for safety. It's large, works on induction cooktops, and aims to heat food evenly. However, some users might find it not completely non-stick, potentially less durable over time as the ceramic coating can wear off and metal tools may scratch it, leading to questions about how long it will last. The pan's weight might also be a concern for some, and there's a possibility of food sticking despite the non-stick claims.